Hey, it's Jeremy Glowacki. I'm here at InfoComm 2026 at the VIOSO booth, and I'm with Mark, and he's going to tell us about Experience Designer, which we gave an award to. It's a really cool product. I really loved reading about it. Now to see it in person and in action, to simplify the design process for projectors setup and our world's projectors, to make it easier to do multi-projector setups. It's great for these professionals out there in the field. So tell us about this design.
That's correct. So this is a new tool that we've got. It's a web-based design tool for doing projection studies. So anything from an immersive room straight through to a dome or a planetarium like this, you can design it all within this system. So we have a database of about 650 different projectors from all the manufacturers that are out there. It goes from replacing disjointed tools from CAD files to AutoCAD, whatever like that, SketchUp, all into one online tool. Once you've designed your scenario, there's quite a lot you can do with it. So you can do analysis for the brightness to see what sort of coverage you've got. It will tell you all the details in there. Again, for the projector coverage, to ensure that there's no occlusions, to make sure that you've got full coverage of your scenario. And one of the best things is the ability to export it as well. So whether you want to share it with your customer or you want to share it internally with a team, you can simply hit share, you can send a link, they can view it, they can edit it if you allow them, or you can export a full PDF report. So PDF reporting always takes a long time. So we built this tool for our own needs, and reporting was one of them crucial needs. So you get a simple standard report that it can output, but you can then build on it with whatever you want. So for example, if you wanted to add the projector specs, that's no problem. You just one click of a button, you've got your full projector specs in there. You can add the screen, the surfaces, everything that you need to go on site with a full pack or to give to a customer. So basically, it just simplifies the whole workflow. And then with the rest of the VIOSO ecosystem, you can use from the calibration all through to the media playback. You can specify it all in here, and you've got a full system ready to go. And
are you selling to the contractor, integrator, consultant, all the different specifiers? Or are you also going in as a sort of a consultant?
No, we don't. We sell this as an online tool.
Yep.
So anybody can access this. Specifiers, consultants, designers, end users can also use it. Okay. It's software as a service, so it's a monthly fee.
Okay.
As a company, we do offer projection studies for our integration partners.
Okay.
And we use this ourselves internally, but predominantly it's a tool for our customers and integrators to use.
Very good, and it's fully ready to be used now.
Absolutely, we've got a great user base already. It's growing on a daily basis. There's a free version which is free to use for however long you want. It's got some limitations like watermarks on the reporting, and there's a pro version that allows you to do a little bit more. For example, you've got more space to store the projects. You can export without watermarks. You can import 3D CAD models and the like.
Okay. Well, very good, Mark. Thank you so much for taking us through it.
No worries. Thank you for stopping by.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
Cheers.